Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix site cannot be reached problem in your Google Chrome browser. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your search option and you just need to type here control panel and then open your control panel. Right now select category and select large icon, then select internet options. So in here you just need to select connections. Right now select LAN settings. You just need to unmark this option, then make sure you select automatically, then select OK. Right now you just need to select advanced option. After select advanced option, you just need to select restore advanced settings. After select restore advanced setting, then select apply. After that, you just need to let's back and open your browser, refresh it, and here you can see right now it's perfectly working. So in this way you can solve this problem. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.